So what is up guys, welcome to HGT Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, you all know the Xiaomi's legendary smartphone, the Mi Mix Alpha, and this is like the best of its kind. Okay, this smartphone has 180+% of display in the whole entire chassis, which is incredible. And guys, this is like the best smartphone innovation ever happened. And now in today's video, I'm going to be telling you the pricing and the expected launch date. Again, just like handful of people, or just you can say like under 500 people are going to be buying this smartphone. So today's video is going to be very interesting. So if you like to stay updated from smartphone world and you want to stay updated from like this cool smartphone technology, then consider subscribing to our channel. And now let me come to the first topic. Okay, Xiaomi's Mi lineup has always been famous for the innovation. Okay, like the Mi Mix 2, the Mi Mix 3, the Mi Mix 4. Okay, all of the smartphone have like a bezel-less display, and always like from 3 years this series has been a revolutionary or a game-changing one. And this year Xiaomi came with its Mi Mix Alpha edition, and this is the most gorgeous smartphone ever made in history. Okay, Samsung Galaxy Fold is nothing comparatively to this. And now let me tell you, like, this smartphone is expected, okay, this is launched and it is going to be coming on 18th December of 2020. Again, like, the date is not confirmed, but definitely in December this smartphone is going to be officially available. And now let me talk a little bit about the pricing and the quantity. First, let's focus on the quantity. Okay, this smartphone is going to be just only 500 units are going to be made. So guys, I really don't know how many YouTubers are even going to be reviewing it. But guys, now let me come to the pricing. Well, in the United States, its pricing is estimated to be around $3,000, and in India the pricing is ridiculous, and the pricing is 1,99,900 Indian rupees. That's just 100 rupees less for 2 lakh rupees, and like that might be an incredible amount. Okay, the Samsung Galaxy Fold in India costs approximately 1,50,000 to 1,75,000 Indian rupees, depending on the variation you're opting for. But guys, this smartphone is again a revolutionary piece. Okay, like, not a normal consumer or not even a high-tech gadget enthusiast will use this smartphone, because it has everywhere there is display. So just you hold in your hand, you might by mistakenly put, press any button or any kind of, you do any kind of problems. Again, this is a whole screen smartphone, so there are no physical buttons. Everything is optimized by software, and if there are a few bugs, okay, this is like the custom software built for this smartphone. So guys, if there are going to be any bugs and glitches, then guys, that will be very disturbing, and guys, that might not give you the clean user interface. But again, this is a revolutionary piece of technology, and guys, I really don't know how many people are going to be buying this. But again guys, this is an incredible take by Xiaomi. And now let's see how the other smartphone companies does. Like Motorola is coming with its Razr smartphone, and there are incredible amount of companies focusing on this technology. And again, this might be okay, like, you accept it or not, but this is the future of smartphone and the smart technology. So guys, in today's video I just wanted to say that this is a revolutionary piece of technology, and it is now getting commercial. Let there be just a quantity limit of 500 units, but still Xiaomi has done its breakthrough advancement with this smartphone. And guys, definitely this is the future of the upcoming smartphone generation. So if you have liked today's video, if you like to stay updated like this from the tech ecosystem, and you want like this revolutionary smartphones, then guys, just consider subscribing to our channel. And also hope so you have liked today's video. And guys, this might be a very rare kind of gem in the smartphone history. And guys, every company is doing its level best to make like this smartphone. And let's give huge shout out to Xiaomi to just developing like this smartphone. And guys, who knows, like, we will see like this kind of technology after 10 years getting for the price range of 10,000 rupees. So guys, like, we cannot never predict what is going to be the near future, but the only thing as if for now I can say that this is a revolutionary piece of technology. Not just the smartphone, but also the design of the display. This smartphone's display folds like completely, literally 180 degrees. So it's a great kind of technology. So if you have liked today's video, in today's video I just wanted to give you a little bit glimpse that the pricing is about like 2 lakh rupees comparatively to the Galaxy Fold. Okay, Galaxy Fold might be a little bit cheaper, but guys, this is the most revolutionary thing, and this is priceless because the technology is just revolutionary. So guys, I hope that you have liked today's video. Guys, again, consider subscribing to our channel, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.